Moving out of your dorm and notice a scuff, paint damage, or a hole in the wall? Before trying to fix it yourself, check your college or university's housing policy because some repairs must be handled by maintenance. Start by photographing the damage and checking your residence hall's move-out rules. Minor scuffs or adhesive residue may be something you can clean yourself, while peeled paint, dents, drill holes, and drywall damage may need to be reported. If tape, hooks, or adhesive strips pull paint from the wall, don't immediately repaint it. Using the wrong paint color, finish, or repair method could make the damage more noticeable and may still result in a charge. The same applies to dents and wall holes. Don't use spackle or improvised fixes like toothpaste, soap, or paper unless your university specifically allows you to make the repair. When removing adhesive strips, follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully. For products like command strips, pull the adhesive tab slowly downward along the wall rather than pulling it outward, which can increase the chance of damaging the paint. And don't assume that tape or hooks labeled removable or damage-free are automatically safe for your dorm. Decorating rules can vary between universities and even between residence halls, so check what your specific building allows. One of the best ways to protect yourself from unexpected charges actually happens when you move in. Photograph existing dents, holes, chipped paint, and also broken furniture or other damage and report it according to your school's check-in procedure. If you're charged for damage you didn't cause, your move-in condition report and dated photos can help support an appeal. Keep that documentation until your housing account is completely settled. Want more expert moving tips and helpful moving guides? Visit MoversCom to make your next move smarter, easier, and more affordable. Like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss our moving and relocation tips.